Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Fannie Mae HomeReady Lender Portal, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with the Fannie Mae HomeReady Lender Portal, begin by navigating to the official HomeReady Lender Portal website. Once on the home page, locate the Sign In option, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button to proceed to the login page. On the login page, you will see fields for your username and password. Enter your registered username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the corresponding box. Ensure that your credentials are entered correctly to avoid any errors. If you have forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link below the password field. Click on the Forgot Password link to initiate the password recovery process. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password. Once your password is reset, return to the login page. Re-enter your username and the new password you just established. After inputting your credentials, click the Sign In button. You may be prompted to complete a two-factor authentication process for added security. If prompted, check your registered email or mobile device for a verification code. Enter the code in the required field to proceed. Upon successful authentication, you will be directed to the HomeReady Lender Portal dashboard. From here, you can access various resources and tools available within the portal. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout of the dashboard. Explore the different sections to better understand the functionalities offered. If you encounter any issues during the authentication process, refer to the troubleshooting section on the website for assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully authenticate with the Fannie Mae HomeReady Lender Portal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.